Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are happy, healthy, and safe. And in today's short, note, I will discuss, court's views in entering into tender matters, because when it comes to tendering process, that is pretty much related to the government, and normally courts do not entertain any kind of any sort of their say when it comes to tender matters. However, when it is a violation of Article 14, that is when courts do something which is everyone should really know. Okay, so I am reading from one of the head notes which has come in one of the matters related to tender. Now, this is a head note. Okay, I am just reading it, quote unquote. Courts under Article 226 ordinarily refrain from entering or interfering in tender matters. However, such restraint yields where a state action is arbitrary or contrary to a tender conditions. Okay, so you see, I mean, this is what it is. This is something where courts do entertain tender related matters, and in all likelihood, when there is a violation of Article 14 Constitution of India, that is when courts do come up with their observations. In fact, this head note is wherein the entire tender process was quashed. And why so? Because court says so-and-so process defeats the tender and violates Article 14. Such actions reflects non-application of mind, vitiates the process, and justifies quashing of the tender with liberty to initiate a fresh process in accordance with law. Because otherwise also, when you see Article 14 Constitution of India says, what it says, equality before law, equal protection of laws within India. Okay, so yeah, I hope I make sense in what I'm talking about. So if the tender is arbitrary, that can also be quashed. That's what it says. Tender matters. Have a good one, people.